Children, today's task is active voice and passive voice. Okay, I will give you a sentence in past tense, simple past. You have to change it into passive voice. Are you ready? Ready? I don't say example also. You know very well. Good. Okay. Right. Yes, I took a pen. Raise your hands. Yes, Dakshita.
A pen was taken by
A pen was taken by me. Good. I gave a gift. I gave a gift. Yes, Swati.
A gift is given by me.
Past tense.
A gift was given by me.
A gift was given by me. Don't feel hurry. Think at once and listen properly what I am saying. Okay? Next. He wrote a story. He wrote a story. Yes.
A story was written by him.
A story was written by him. They played cricket. They played cricket. They played cricket. Yes, Harini. Cricket was
Played by them.
played by them. Good. Good. Yes, Chandni ate a mango. Good. A mango was eaten by Chandni. Good, good. My mother called me. My mother called me. No, I don't give you chance again. Bashir.
I was called by
I was called by
my mother.
my mother. Good. Very good. They drank milk. They drank milk. They drank milk. Yes, Afrin. Milk was drunk by them. Good. Very good. Next. Next. You bought a pen. You bought a pen. Akhil, why don't you raise your hand? Tell me. You bought a pen.
Pen was bought by me. Bought by you.
Bought by you. Good. A pen was bought by you. Right. Next. They cleaned house. They cleaned a house. Dhanush. They cleaned a house. A house cleaned by them. Good. Yes. She bought bags. She bought bags. Yes.
She was bags. Bags were
No, bags.
she
She bought bags.
bags were bought by her.
Her. Bags were bought by her. Good. I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. Yes.
A letter is written by me.
Past tense.
A letter was written by me.
Good. A letter was written by me. Veraya. Very good. Okay. Next I will ask you. Yes. I bought a ball. Jevane.
A ball was bought by me.
A ball was bought by me. Good. Veraya played cricket. Veraya played cricket. Can you say? Excellent. Cricket was played by Veraya. Veraya, good boy. Good. Next. Our teacher taught English. Our teacher taught English. Yes? Yes, sir.
English was taught by our teacher.
That's all. English was taught by
our teacher.
our teacher. Right. Very good. Well done.